So I know when I go with leather. No, I can't walk and cut off people water. Welcome, boss. Good morning, driver.
Morning, sir.
I came when I come fix. I'm a church man, I got a wedding.
Eh?
Now Lisa and I get married.
You know,
I know she pregnant and she never tell me.
Eh?
Lisa and I pregnant for me and she never tell me. And guess what? Me and Lisa and I get married and she got twin for me.
What?
One boy and one girl and the girl look just like me. Yeah. Then do the autopsy, you know the autopsy? To see how the baby look. And then see twin. And they say twin, the girl look like me. I teach already, you know. The girl about teeth.
Eh?
The little boy don't grow up, he walkless man. But the little girl, she gonna be Miss Universe.
Oh, God.
Like her mother, like her mother. Can we come from beautiful family, right? Facebook, Mr. Handsome and Lisa are not there. So we don't want nobody look on her. And my wife, we get married and we have twin. Over and out. Eat your heart out and your wellness.
Bless up, Mr. Handsome.
Please up.